really have much options for staying, and we can't get back to my botan. Overwhelmed. Someone is doing donuts around our car. We are stuck. That's the road. We have survived. I had to jump the car twice.
Couldn't see the road earlier. It was very scary.
Ran us into the ditch next to the road. We're just enjoying why we came here. How was it?
Amazing.
Yeah. Worth coming out here for. In the cold, in the rain, the mechanic, the jump starts.
Worth all of it.
So here we are, Vestrahorn. It's a very beautiful mountain that everybody loves to come to. Tried to get here at sunset, kind of did. We were a little bit late because saw Arctic fox on the ice earlier, so I actually got some drone footage of that, drone pictures, because it was way out there. It took a little while, but now we're here. It's really beautiful. Checking in. It is Wednesday night.
11:30 p.m.
11:30. We are in. Forget where we are.
I don't know, but they got Deloitte.
Yeah, a little small town.
Starts with an H.
Hoffen? I think we're in Hoffen. Hoffen. Yeah, it's been a long day, but really, really good day.
Great day.
We've seen a lot of mountains in the east fjords, which are beautiful.
We saw a lot of wildlife.
We did.
Ryan spotted an Arctic fox.
I did on the ice out in the ocean had part of the ocean froze over and there was a little black thing running along. I think that's an Arctic fox.
And he was right.
So I tried to get the long lens out, but he was too far away. So I pulled over and got the drone out and flew it almost 2,000 meters out, and there he was. So I got kind of over him, and yeah, I think it was really cool.
And we saw some reindeer, bighorn sheep. What else?
A lot of cool mountains, and then when we got into Hoffen, we got some dinner at the Horn Cafe.
The Horny Cafe.
The Horny Cafe, so we called it.
And then, what's magical about tonight?
Well, we were at the campsite, and I was getting in and out to charge stuff inside, and I noticed that the aurora was out, so I told Abby, but it wasn't great, so I didn't make her come out. Then it died, and it went away, and then
Came back, baby.
Came back, and I decided, let's just drive outside of town to see it, because it'll be a little darker.
And it's gorgeous.
And it was really dancing, and so we both got out and saw it.
She's still dancing.
What do you think?
I love her.
Beautiful, right?
Yeah.
Worth coming out here for. In the cold, in the rain, the mechanic, and the jump starts.
Worth all of it. Driving.
Not very fun today. I have to say, this is one of the tougher conditions, believe it or not, that we've had.
Really?
The road's really slushy and icy, so there's a lot more slipping than just like the snowy wind.
Got no grip.
Yeah, it's not a lot of grip.
Ugh.
Visibility is getting worse because now it's changed from rain snow, which I prefer, but it's tough.
It's bad.
It's not. There's actually a little bit of sun out there. It's a miracle. Spent the whole day in a rainstorm, blizzard, down a ditch. I'm gonna take that real quick. What happened today? You want to summarize for us?
This camera's so weird sometimes.
I know it gets locked in.
Today, we woke up and it was pouring rain and windy, and we went to the Black Diamond Beach, or the Diamond Beach.
Diamond Beach, yeah.
And it was overrun with tourists slipping everywhere because you literally could not walk when you went outside.
It was just full of ice.
Just ice and wind.
But not the good ice, just road ice, not actual ice.
Oh, and then all the ice on the beach was gone, so we didn't really.
Yeah, it looked like it because of the storms and stuff. All the Diamond Beach ice had washed away.
Yeah. So we kept driving, kept moving. Stopped, got some gas. Went to a really cute photography cafe.
Which is nice.
Such a wonderful day. I was getting ready to take a nap.
Tried to get to a glacier, but like all the road that I had gone on before was closed. The Bloom National Park, we could walk, like, you know, do a hike, but it was too bad weather to do that.
In the ice and the wind. And
so we kept driving along.
And a car was coming towards us. There was a rock on my side, and then the car slipped out.
Our car lost traction. We hit a patch of ice and a wind gust all at the same time. Going about 40 miles an hour, maybe 45.
And honestly, I really thought Ryan was going to keep us on the road because he was controlling the wheel really, really well. And he avoided the other car and the gigantic rock, which was nice for me.
We were sliding around, and the car was in front of us, and I was on their side sliding. So I had to make a decision. I couldn't get us back on our side of the road because the car wouldn't go that way. So I ran us into the ditch next to the road and was able to keep us just kind of in the ditch, kind of on the hill, not like going off into the scrubland, which is underneath snow, but we ran into snow, so we kind of got stuck there.
For like, what, a good hour
I would say 30-45 minutes of me trying to back up onto the road, slipping, not being able to going forward. I decided to try to keep going forward and then push up onto the road that way, which was the worst decision because then we spent 30 minutes.
That was my idea, actually.
Digging myself out with the horrible shovel that they gave us in the emergency kit.
The shovel
didn't work, right? Yeah, at the end I ended up kicking a lot of snow and ice away from the front of the car. Was able to kind of rock the car by going forward, backward, and then shooting backwards, getting out of the rut, and then I was able to keep going at an angle up the icy side until I finally got the car back onto the road. So now we've just been going slowly, very slowly.
Slow and steady wins the race.
And we're kind of out of the worst part of it.
Yeah, we are.
Some of the sun, and we're heading towards our hostel for the night because I got us a hostel last night because I knew it was going to be really bad weather today, and we didn't want to be tired and cold all day. So.
I didn't want to cook.
Well, we just didn't have a place to cook because you can't cook inside unless you open the windows, and today was just going to be rainy and cold, so we made it audible.
I'm excited.
Abby's ready for a nap. I'm ready to not be tense and to write about the trip.
Funny enough though, it's starting to clear up and get sunny.
Yeah, which will mean I will go out probably and try to take some pictures because I need that because I haven't done anything today.
So, there you go.
Fun day.
But Ryan dug us out of the ditch. He's my favorite ditch digger ever.
It was one of the more impressive car moves I've ever done.
Yeah, getting us up that hill, backing up was very impressive.
We made it back to Rainius Far, Black Sand Beach. Kind of good weather. Figured it might be better than tomorrow. There's Abby. It's just like how I remembered it. Stormy, big waves.